Hello everyone. Today we are having with Dr. Jayesh Parmar. He is a principal and faculty of physiotherapy in Marwani University. Hello sir. Welcome to our education portal collegedunia.com. Hello sir.
Thank you very much.
So start with the interview. My first question is, how does the curriculum of Marwadi University insert the best practice of industry?
Yes, I would like to tell you that our physiotherapy curriculum is based on the GSCPT guideline, that is Gujarat State Council for Physiotherapy. So our syllabus is based on that guideline, and as per the international standards also. It means like if student wants to go to the abroad or any other country, then credit will be transferred. They don't have to do any other extra courses to complete their credit. So syllabus is developed in such a way that all students, once they complete it, immediately they can start their practice. If they want to go to abroad also, it will not be any problem for them. Okay, and the physiotherapy syllabus is developed in such a way that more hands-on practice is included for the students. So immediately they can start their practice once they finish their internship.
Very well said, sir. Very well said. On that note, my next question is, what do you think roles and responsibility to this university and the students are?
My role is a very simple role, that I want to provide best education in the field of physiotherapy, because ultimately that is going to make a difference. We are using various modes to for the teaching learning process. Like you can say more on hands-on learning we are providing. Learning by doing, because in physiotherapy course, learning by doing is very important aspect. Just theory or just classroom teaching is not sufficient. Okay, we give opportunities to our first year students also to take part in some conference or seminar, so which shows that learning is facilitated by many aspects. And as I told you that it's not only classroom teaching, we need to go out also to learn many other things. Along with all these things, we do mentoring also. We do mentoring with the students, so to find any possible issues which affect their teaching learning process. So if we find any kind of issues, we will immediately try to resolve it, and again we will facilitate a proper and good teaching learning process to the student. Thank you.
Very well said, sir. On that note, my next question is, when you first came to the Marwadi University, what was your vision for the university?
Again, I would like to say same thing, because see, I am in the field of physiotherapy since more than 15 years, and I have near about 10-year experience in government sector also. So my vision was and my vision is to prepare best physiotherapy students. I do not say that I have achieved it. As you know, like to achieving the best, it's a continuous process. But I would like to say that yes, we have started achieving our main goal, that is to prepare best physiotherapy students, and trying to achieve that goal slowly and steadily. And definitely we will achieve it in due course of time.
Very well said, sir. On that note, my next question is, what do you see as Marwadi University's greatest strength?
Yes. Yes, that's a very good question. I would like to answer. See, for any institute, the best part or the best strength would be always the faculty. So frankly speaking, I feel that greatest strength is a faculty in Marwadi University, because faculties are imparting teaching learning process with the students. We have more than 100 faculties who are PhD, and faculties are always keen to develop these students overall, or you can say to develop holistically. and faculties are always updating their skill also. See, if we talk about this COVID scenario, we forced to take lectures online, but immediately, like within a very short period of time, we have adapted with this digital teaching learning process, and we are doing that process now also. So ultimately, the backbone of any teaching learning process would be the faculty. If we have, or if any institute have very good faculty, definitely the aim or the outcome would be better.
Very well said, sir. On that note, my next question is, what are some plans that you are currently or will be designing for Marwadi University, International Affairs and Students?
Again, my plan is very simple. By best teaching learning process, I would like to create the more opportunities for the national as well as the international students, because physiotherapy branch is a growing branch and it has vast opportunities in many countries. So by providing good or best education, definitely we can impart good education to the international students also.
Very well said, sir. Very well said. What are the opportunity available for the growth of the students in your university?
Yes. This is the question, most of the students and of course their parents would ask, what are the opportunities, once we complete the course, where we are going to get the job, or how we are going to deal with the future prospectus. So with regard to that, I would like to tell you that, in the field of physiotherapy, the opportunities are vast. Once you complete your course, you can start your own private clinic. You can do the job in the multi-specialty hospital also. You can work as a sports physiotherapist. You can work in research field, as well as in many of the colleges you can work as an academician also. And the very important thing is that, in abroad also, if you would like to go, then physiotherapy is the branch which have more opportunities. So America, Canada, or any other countries, once you complete this course and you fulfill the requirement of their country, you can work as a physiotherapist in the other countries also.
Definitely, sir. On that note, my next question is, what kind of facility provided to the students in your university?
Yes, that is very important, because students needs to know what kind of facilities we do provide in our university. So all kinds of facilities are available. I would like to elaborate on that different lab, and that also very advanced labs are available. Different clubs are available for the curricular and extracurricular activities, like sports club, music club, dance club, and many other clubs are available. We have a unit for the learning and development also. We have a unit for the social service scheme also. So students will be connected with the society and they will come to know what are the needs of the society. We have unit for the soft skill development, like English language club is also there. We have physiotherapy OPD, hostel, and many more units are available, which student can get the advantage for their overall development or for the holistic growth. And with respect to physiotherapy, I would like to tell you that anatomy lab, physiology lab, exercise therapy laboratory, electrotherapy laboratories, and for the patient point of view, we have OPD in Marwadi University itself, as well as the physiotherapy OPD in Rajkot city also. So where patients come and physiotherapy can treat that patient, and students can get the exposure of that.
Definitely, sir, definitely. Jumping to the last question, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth, sir?
Yes. I would like to give a very minor, or you can say a very simple suggestion to all the youth or all the students who wants to take admission, that see, many a time what I feel is that students will be asking which course is good or which course is better, which course is not good. But frankly speaking, all courses are good. You have to make it more successful. Means like it depends on you and your skill. How do you perceive it and do that course? But like if I tell you for the course of physiotherapy, like students needs to participate in the teaching learning process actively. That is very important. If you do not take part in teaching learning process, then you will be like passive learner. That will affect a lot for your teaching learning process. Second, like you should do more on hands-on learning, like learning by doing. As I told you in the earlier also, learning by doing will have more skill for all the students. Just observation will not be sufficient to acquire proper skill. So more you do the practice, more you will learn. And that is what now students should do. Just by watching a video or just by attending classroom lectures will not be sufficient to acquire proper skill to deal with the patient as well as to deal with the any other object. Okay, so focus here, the students' focus should be like on teaching learning process, and that also active teaching learning process rather than spending more time on any other activities. Thank you.
Very well said, sir. Very well said. Thank you so much for giving such information, sir. Thank you so much. It will help a lot to the students. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much for providing me this opportunity and share my experience with all the students.
Yeah, it will definitely help to the students, sir. Thank you so much.